Awesome. So, I mean, yeah, firstly, I would just maybe let you speak what you think so far about our collaboration, the project we did together, and then I will have some follow-up questions overall about, software development on our side, your challenges, how the collaboration went, and so on. But yeah, firstly, I'll obviously let you speak. What are your thoughts so far from our collaboration?
Okay. So first of all, like I said, we've been very happy with the engagement and the partnership has been excellent. I think that the part that I'm happiest about is, first of all, how knowledgeable the team is, right? Rafi and his team. And then also just the flexibility and the responsiveness. That was one of the concerns we had whenever we first started working together, right? Okay, how are we going to engage with the time difference? But it has not been a challenge. It has been really easy to work with the team, and you have all been available, during our business hours and turning things around very quickly. Again, the flexibility part, we change our mind often, or we see something and like, man, this is not working like we originally thought, or we missed this part of the scope, or all of a sudden on our side, the business needs have changed. And you have been tremendously accommodating and just very much flexible and willing to revisit problems and help us work through, okay, what are the new challenges? How can we tweak this? How can we salvage as much of what we've accomplished, right? But still deliver on this new requirement. The invoicing has been very straightforward as well. Like no questions there. That has been great on our part. And like I said, just the collaborative nature of the project so far has been fantastic. And our team has been great. Yeah. Our team has been giving us, sorry.
No, just especially because I know that different continents, usually it's a big challenge, right? So fortunately enough, we work a lot with US clients. So we are really used to also do those late hours, especially for meetings. So obviously our developers, they start very early, some of them, but because of the project management, we know when to do certain tasks and when to dedicate tasks or like time for meetings. So it's also great to hear from you that it worked out here.
Yes. And it's great to, be able to ask a question and have somebody, an expert, very knowledgeable on your side that can help us, again, work on the best solution for, our challenges, right? And that's what we were looking for from the beginning. Somebody that really did Amazon Marketplace and could help us with automation. And it's been a really good journey so far. It's the expertise that we lack. So we need to be able to find a partner we can trust that has that expertise, but still work with us because we know our business, the platform, and it's a really good combination of skills.
That's great. I know that overall we have like three, let's say, main parts that we work together. I mean, firstly, that was the MWS to FBA API migration that went quite smooth. And then challenging part came, so FBA orders automation and FBM orders, right? So those two parts. And actually, Rafi and Jarek were really waiting for the feedback, and they are really like right now, literally waiting for me. What can I tell them after this call? Because I know that this is already on the production for the week, right? I'm really wondering, how is it so far?
So far, it's been going well, and we have a team on our side that is they like things to work well. So it's been really a lot of also coaching on our side to make sure that we understand that it's not 100% perfect, and that's not our goal. We just want to make sure that it's saving us time, right? Yes. So we're there. We're still finding, of course, some exceptions, but those inevitably will happen. You can't control how somebody enters an order, right? An address, for example, like that's just the nature of the business. But so far, we've been seeing really good results. Yeah, like I said, our team has been just really happy to work with both Rafi and Jarek. And again, the responsiveness, especially during our go live week, right? Hey, every day I see the emails going back and forth, like, hey, what's going on with this order? What about that order? Why did this happen? Just trying to understand. And then if there's something we need to tweak, then, the team tweaks it very quickly and it's fixed, within hours. So it's been a great collaborative effort, and we're very happy with the results so far.
That's awesome. How did you find, or like, what made our agency stand out from others? Because obviously, when you had a problem, you started searching on internet for some help, right? So why did you pick us? There's so many freelancers, so many agencies out there, right?
So the reason why I picked you was because you gave me the answer that I was needing, like exactly what I needed to get started, right? So I had been searching online and looking for answers, finding some answers which were not what I needed, not to the detail that I needed, step by step. And whenever I found your video, it had very clear step-by-step instructions that I could follow and I could get my problem solved right away. So that gave me the confidence that I was looking for, as far as I need a partner that is knowledgeable and that can get me out of a pickle if I, whenever I need help. So that was the differentiator for me, just very solid solutions. And then after, meeting you and the team and hearing about your offering, and also just to be honest with you, the price level, very competitive, which always helps, right? Because you could be the best solution provider, but if you're not within our budget, then you wouldn't be a partner we could work with. But in this case, you were the strongest contender, the one that provided the best solutions and within our budget. So those were the main reasons.
I think especially as I'm really responsible right now for our growth of company and marketing, I really like the approach that, because a lot of people ask us, hey, why do you share all of those videos with so much of the value, right? I mean, some people will copy you and so on. And I really stand for the approach that I like to share the free value, give people the knowledge, and then charge for the execution, right? So of course, you can watch the video, do it on your own, but if you want the best execution, you can just hire us. That's what I stand for. So it's actually a perfect example that you got the knowledge, but then you decided to also work with us. So
absolutely, and especially for businesses that want to get the job done, but don't necessarily want to build the expertise in-house, you're the perfect fit because you bring the expertise, and then I don't have to worry about building that in-house. I know that I have a partner that I can go to that's going to continue helping me if I need something else.
Awesome.